Most schools are still teaching for a world that no longer exists. At Orlando Junior Academy, we're preparing students for the world they'll create through design thinking challenges, entrepreneurial ventures, and experiential learning. From our innovation labs to our farm-to-table partnership with the Kitchen House, students develop the adaptive intelligence that defines tomorrow's leaders. Not just smart, future-ready. Because the skills that matter most can't be measured by standardized tests. Here, middle schoolers don't just learn about technology, they design solutions, like coding applications to help stroke victims regain mobility. Every Friday, they're in the garden and kitchen at the Kitchen House, connecting seed to table, learning sustainability from the ground up. And elementary students, they experience this too, discovering that innovation isn't just about screens, it's about understanding God's world and becoming responsible stewards of His creation. Small class sizes mean every child is seen, heard, and known by name. With a student-to-teacher ratio large schools can't match, your child isn't a number, they're a name. But here's what truly sets OJA apart. We don't separate faith from learning, we integrate it. Biblical values aren't an add-on, they're the foundation, where Christ-centered wisdom guides every innovation, every lesson, every decision. Because in a world that teaches kids what to think, we teach them how to think, with discernment, compassion, and courage. This is where academic excellence meets unshakable character, where your child learns to lead with both confidence and humility. Pre-K through 8th grade, one mission: to prepare hearts, minds, and hands for a life of purpose. Orlando Junior Academy, College Park's best-kept secret. Discover what 96 families already know. Call us, email us, or visit discoveroja.com to schedule your campus tour. See the difference. Feel the difference. This is OJA.